Let me change my tile.
Oh, let me turn my light on. Oh, let's go on this venture. Oh, I forgot to get the temperature. It's, I think it was like 58. I don't know. I forget. Anyway, we got a lot of rain. It's been raining all night long. Supposed to rain mostly all day long. And I forgot to turn my sound off on my phone. It's about it's 3:20 a.m. I was going to stay in bed, but, I figure I better walk them. Don't want no mistakes in the house. Oh, I can put a weather app up. My phone hasn't been working too well lately today. Ooh, water everywhere. Oh, I want to see that. Oh, I see some eyeballs way out in the woods here. Oh, disappeared. Yeah, we got a little water river here running still. Yep, getting wider up there. I don't know if you guys are going to use it, but I'm giving you a chance. I was going to stay in bed, which I don't usually do anyway. Barkley, what are you doing? You want to go by the tree so you can use it? Ooh. They always found that one spot there. Come on, Barkley. No. This ground is so, my feet are sinking to it. More tunnels. Let's go. Got the raincoats on. Come on. Oh. I hear a choo-choo train. I've been hearing them quite a bit since yesterday. A lot of trains going by. Ooh. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. That's a good boy. I'm walking on the boards. Walking that plank. Lucy, if you got to do anything, do it. It's wet out here. I think in about 2 hours we're going to stop raining for a little bit before it starts back up again. Got to make sure I take them out then too. Oh, good girl, Lucy. Good girl. You're going to go doo-doo. Good girl, Lucy. Glad I took you out. It's worth the wake-up time. Oh, don't worry about what's around you, Barkley. No. She doesn't do that much, but she does something. Oh. Lucy, don't worry about what's around you. Come on. Let's go in the house. You gotta do anything else, Lucy? Well, maybe she does. I don't know. Let me check. Let me wait. Yep, she does. She got pee now. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Yeah, sweat everywhere. Barkley, no. You know better. Barkley. 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 I can control each one of you dogs with these blinds here. I got 2 buttons. Thanks to folks who walked my shifts. I thank you, folks. We had to get Daddy up so you can take us band through them. Thanks for watching, folks. The next time later.